Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to move some word or text of a long sentence at the bottom in Microsoft Excel. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Excel software and now let me type some sentence. So I've written some sentences here. So for this, in your Microsoft Excel, what you need to do is just put your blinking mouse cursor just before the word or text that you want to move to the bottom part. Now on your computer keyboard, what you need to do is just press and hold Alt key and hit enter. Now you can see here the respective words or text has been moved to the bottom part. Now if I increase this cell size, still it will remain at the bottom part. So you can do one more thing. If you don't feel like using this cell, then you can see here formula bar, right? So just put the blinking text cursor before the word or text which you want to move at the bottom part, and once again press and hold the Alt key and hit enter. Now the respective words or text will move at the bottom part. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily move some word or text of a long sentence at the bottom in Microsoft Excel very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.